Hello everyone, today I will show you how to change theme in Outlook. If you find this useful, then please leave a like and subscribe. So first you want to go to Outlook and then click on the top icon, the house icon at the top left. Click on the setting icon at the bottom left. Click on displays and appearance. So here, right now my theme is set to system. If you want to change it to light theme, you can set on light theme, or you can change it back to dark theme depending on whatever you want. You can also change the app icon as well as the color. You can also add the images, and that is how you can change the theme in Outlook.